You cannot really tell where we are from the beginning. We are here coming from the National Arena. We're on the 25th of February, 2024. We as Baptists will gather for the closing services of the 174th General Assembly of the Jamaica Baptist Union. I am excited. I know you are excited. I know Rev is excited.
I am excited.
So Rev is going to tell us how excited she is.
I am so very excited, Andre. It's always a blessing to see Baptists from across Jamaica coming to the arena to get together. And you think of that text in scripture that says how good and pleasant it is when brothers and sisters dwell together in unity.
Right. So, some information that is worth noting.
Yes.
When we assemble at the arena, come early.
Yes.
Come very early. Yeah.
But they know, Andre. I think, over the years, our Baptists know. So we're just reminding you.
Yes.
We know that you have to come early.
Mm-hmm.
Why you have to come early?
This is the reason why you have to come early. In addition to it being the closing services, we have some logistics that we have to tell you about. So this year, we have to pay for parking. So it's $200 per vehicle. So if you have a big coaster bus, it's $200. If you have your family car, it's $200. But Rev, they are asking that we have the change.
And especially with this new money,
Yes.
we have to make sure, don't give me $1,000.
I don't even have any on me to
I don't
show.
have it on me either, but
The money.
200
Yes.
Jamaican dollars.
Yes, and we are asking, please, we are asking you to have the change, have the two $100 in hand so that you can pass it on quickly, find your parking spot, find your seat so we can have a 10 a.m. sharp start time.
Yes.
So, what else can we expect at the closing services?
Well, we're Baptists, so of course there's going to be good preaching.
We are Baptists, so of course there's going to be great singing.
We're Baptists, of course there's going to be good food at lunchtime.
Oh,
and
yes.
nobody will go without it.
Oh yes, and we are Baptists, so we will have the pork. We'll be there. Yes, as Baptists, we are going to celebrate the goodness of God as we pursue integrity. Rev, a little birdie pinched me and tell me, say, one of the speakers is the pastor of the Sligoville Circuit of Churches.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. What's your name again?
Is that the Reverend Maria Laws?
I believe
The one and
only
our Reverend Maria
the
Laws?
incandescent Marvia Laws, pastor of the Sligoville Circuit. Yes, she will be preaching in the morning service.
Okay.
And I
Who's the worship leader for the morning service again?
the worship leader have to stand properly for this one.
Okay. Protocol?
Yes, the worship leader for the morning service will be the Custos Rotalorum, the Honorable Lincoln Thaxter. He's the Custos Rotalorum for the parish of Portland. So you see, we have the dignitaries, and we have everybody else who will be a part of the experience. But Rev, tell me, who will be the speaker in the afternoon and the worship leader?
All right. I think I know this one.
Okay.
I think I've got this one.
I really don't know.
The speaker for the afternoon session, so that's when we come back from lunch.
Yes.
After we all share in
Yes.
wonderful meals,
Yes.
good cooking,
Yes.
and we've been refreshed.
Yes.
We will hear from our outgoing president, the Reverend Dr. Glenroy Layler.
Okay. Awesome.
I forgot who is leading.
I don't remember who is leading either. You sure you don't remember?
Is it Chanel Service Alain? Does that name ring a bell?
No. I really don't know that name.
I think that our sister, I almost said the Reverend.
Prophecy.
Shanice Service Elaine will be our worship leader for the afternoon session.
Oh, Shaniel, the outgoing youth chairperson.
Yes.
Oh,
It's a good thing you remembered.
Oh my.
So save you from
Yeah.
the coach later.
I'm saying. So you see, we have a lot in store.
Absolutely.
The singing, the togetherness, the camaraderie,
And of course, the word.
the word. Have to. Definitely, because we are Baptists.
All roads,
And-
all
yes.
roads, every lane,
Yes.
every main road,
Yes.
every street,
Yes.
every avenue,
Yes.
all roads leads
Every
to
cul-de-sac,
the
every
cul-de-sac,
crescent,
everything.
every precipice,
all
every
roads
mountain,
All
every
roads.
valley, all roads
lead to
lead to.
National Arena, February 25th, 2024. Be there.